Good morning guys, how's it going? It's been a while since we've cracked out a rainbow, so I thought why not bring one out today, an old faithful. Bit of classic EmmasRectangle action. This arrived for me in the post yesterday or the day before yesterday, and I figured I should probably test it out. This is Too Faced's newest mascara. It is the Damn Girl Those Lashes Are Thick mascara. Are you broken?
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick! Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
The sensor for the sound is really bad, so it's just kind of random. But this is what the PR package looked like. Open it up.
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
It's very aggressive. The company that brought you Better Than Sex, the #1 selling prestige mascara in America, now brings you your next lash obsession. It says it's a
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
It says it's a 24-hour mascara, buildable melting wax formula, outrageously thick and curled lashes that stay lifted for 24 hours, dual fiber infinity brush, hydrophilic black pigments, patent pending formula, and vegan and cruelty free. So I got this giant mascara tube, and here is the packaging. The packaging is very cool. Now, I used to really like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I do actually have a brand new unopened one, so I'm gonna wear this one today. I'll wear this for about 8 hours. That's a standard sort of working day. And then I will come back and show you how my lashes look. And I'm also gonna show you a side-by-side comparison between the Better Than Sex and the Damn Girl mascara to see, basically just to see how they differ and which one you might prefer. Here are my lashes with nothing on them. I'm gonna curl them really quick. My lashes are curled. Now let's have a look at the mascara. So if I open it up, I haven't seen the wand or anything yet. Oh, the wand is thick. She is a thick wand. It does actually remind me of the Better Than Sex mascara because it's fat and it's got that kind of curvature in the middle. Look at the size of that wand on my eye. Okay. Ooh, that was very fast. That is one coat. I like how dry this formula is. It isn't really wet. I'm someone who likes to wait for my mascara to basically dry out before I like it. This one, I feel like I don't have to do that. It's already nice and sticky. I'm gonna go in with the second coat. Oh. Do it. Oh. ASMR. ASMR. Was that good? I'm gonna go in with the second coat and see how it layers. That is the second coat. I think this looks really nice. Okay, let's try the other side. Some things that I will already point out. It's a little bit messy because of how big the wand is. But that is something that I find with all mascaras with massive wands. Easy to kind of bump you in a corner, get it on your lid. You just have a little bit less control. Okay, that's one coat on my other eye. And you can see it has just blobbed on my lid quite a lot. Now granted, it could have been my fault, but I'm quite careful, you know. While I let that first coat dry a little bit on that eye, let's go in with the bottom lashes. Let's see how it looks. That's how that looks. I'm finding that it builds quite nicely. The wand even has so much product that I find doing the bottom lashes really hard because it's just so big. So here are my lashes. Would I say it's life-altering? No. But do I like this mascara so far? Yes. Let's read
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
Please. Buildable melting wax formula. I felt like that was buildable. It's annoying me that she's wearing false lashes in the promo image. If your mascara is that good, why do you need false lashes in your promo? Thick and curled lashes. They definitely look thick. The curl is staying. It's very, very black, which I like. I'm gonna go about my day for about 8 hours. I'll probably pop back in soon to see whether there's any flaking or melting or anything like that. But I will check back in. Let me know what you think so far. I'm now gonna insert some clips of the Too Faced Better Than Sex compared to the Damn Girl mascara, and we'll see which one I prefer. Hi guys, it's about 9 hours later. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna keep this really short and really sweet. I'm so impressed. I think that with most mascaras, there's a little bit of a learning curve, and after a few times of me using it, I think I'm gonna get a really lovely effect with this. And it has not smudged, it has not moved. It is still, they look exactly the same as how they looked when I did them. I've been sat editing. I've had hay fever today and they haven't run. I had a nap. This is how my makeup looks after having a nap. I'm so, so impressed. I had no expectations. I haven't seen any reviews. I didn't even know what the brush? I didn't even know what the wand looked like. So going in completely blind, no expectations, no affiliations, I actually really, really like this mascara. I think it's really nice, and I will use the tube. Like, I'll finish it up. Will I buy a new one? We'll see. I feel like mascaras really do have to grow on you. As a first impression of a mascara, I really, really, really like it. I will link this down below. I recommend it if you want chunky lashes and if you don't mind a really big wand. That is my thoughts and opinions on the Damn Girl mascara. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you are new. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. And if there are any products that you would like me to test out or review that have recently launched, then let me know down below and I'll pick them up for you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.